Okay, so my garden. Let's see what we have. I'm not gonna know any of the names, so you can shout them out. I know we've got snapdragons and glads. I just got that chime. I just love it. I thought I had some growth in here. Pansies, because I've got 2 Russian tortoises and they love pansies. Irises. You know, the cats dug in here and they're not buried. Okay. I'm not sure what that is, but it was coming up last year. These will perk up eventually. Sunflowers. This is my little tree that I got a couple of years ago. I've just kept it in the pot, but maybe I'll bury it. And these guys, yeah, we've got a little guy coming up there. And nothing there. Nothing there. And I've got wildflowers that are gonna come up in there. Hi, Stormer. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is gonna be I can't read it. Oh, snapdragons. Rosebush. More glads. Something buried in there. I'm not really useful information, just fun. I love butterflies. And all in here, but this is a dog that's been coming in and tearing up my garden already. I thought that by putting these guys down it would work. This is a fun fact. This is a neem tree. And, you know, you're supposed to plant the seeds within like a few days. And it came from Africa and it took like 3 or 4 months to get here. 1 seed came up. I was amazed. Cucumbers, carrots, Swiss chard. Is that beets? Oh. Yeah, we got beets and colored peppers, green peppers, beans, peas, pumpkins, grapevine. I'm hoping it'll come back. I'm not seeing any green on it. That will be disturbing. I replanted these. They don't look very healthy, but you know, it's funny. They just they'll come up anyway. And then for Valentine's, I got that grapevine and this one. Oh, it's got a baby. So that's the rest of the yard. These were all, they could fit in a little paper bag when we got them 5 years ago. This purple one over here is gorgeous. When I take photos of it, they come up with this crazy blue. I think I've told you. Got that at the flower show in San Francisco one year. This is solar. I don't know what that is. If it's a piece, my roof came off on it. And then there's the beginning of the mountains. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed my little garden. And of course, storm the car.